students. Today we are going to solve this application problems based on the linear variables in linear equations in one variables. So see, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? So here it is a word problem. First you have to convert this word problem into a linear expression and then you have to find this values. So see, what should be added to twice the rational number? So here minus 7 by 3 is a rational number. What should be added to twice the rational number? So twice the rational number means what? Twice means what? If it is 2 madangu. So 2 into minus 7 by 3 எழுதலாமா? So here what is given is twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. So you can write minus 7 by 3 into 2. Now you see, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? To get, so here 3 by 7 is the value. So question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படினா 7 by 3 அப்படிங்கற ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பரோட twice கூட என்ன ஆட் பண்ணா we get 3 by 7. So அந்த question வந்து நமக்கு தெரியாது. So what number is added we don't know. So you consider it as an x. So x plus twice of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. So now we get a linear equation form. இப்போ linear equation form வந்துருச்சா? So இது சிம்பிளா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகும் அப்படினா you see 5 கூட என்ன ஆட் பண்ணா எனக்கு 8 கிடைக்கும். So நீங்க ஈஸியா சொல்லிருவீங்க 3 because you simply subtract 5 from 8, so it is obviously 3. The same procedure is here. So here the extra thing is twice of minus 7 by 3. So see here, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3? So minus 7 by 3 is a rational number. அதனோட twice அப்படிங்கும்போது how will you denote? 2 into minus 7 by 3. So the twice of minus 7 by 3 கூட என்ன ஆட் பண்ணா 3 by 7. So we don't know which part is going to be added. But my final answer is what they are given, 3 by 7. So now we get a linear expression. So by using this linear expression you have to find that number. So என்ன number அப்படிங்கறத இது சால்வ் பண்ணி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So see, so first you write twice the rational number of minus 7 by 3 is, how you write? 2 into minus 7 by 3. So here you simply multiply. So see here, 2 sevens are how much? 14. Plus into minus is minus 14 by 3. So twice the rational number of minus 7 by 3 is 2 into minus 7 by 3. So you simply multiply 2 sevens are 14, so minus 14 by 3. So what is my final answer? So you consider that number, namak enna number unknown number kandupidikkumo, let us consider the unknown number as x. So now you come to this question, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3? So the number எனக்கு என்ன தெரியாது, so I am considering the unknown number as x. Then added, so you have to add this minus 14 by 3 and x. So see here, x plus of minus 14 by 3 equal to, what is my final answer? I have to get 3 by 7. So 3 by 7. So here we get a finally formed a linear expression. Now you have to find the value for this x. See here, in the next step you simply remove the bracket. So plus of minus, so plus into minus is minus 14 by 3 which is equal to 3 by 7. Now you have to find the value of this x. So here we are having minus 14 by 3. So you already know in an equation, if a subtraction comes, means whenever you transport it to an RHS side, that means right hand side of the equation, the subtraction becomes addition. So you simply add. So x minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. So x is equal to 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Now see here two numbers are prime numbers, so you simply multiply. So the LCM will be 21. So LCM is equal to 21. So now you take the LCM 3 by 7. So x is equal to 3 by 7. So 21 varuna you have to multiply 7 with 3. And the same time 3 with 7. So see x is equal to 3 3s are 9 and 7 3s are 21. 14 into 7. So first you multiply 4 and 7. 28, 2, 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 2 is 98. 3 7s are 21. Next, here the denominators are same. So you simply add 9 and 98. So what you will get? So 107. So 107 by 21. So this is my x value. So இந்த வேல்யூ தான் வந்துட்டு x வேல்யூவா இருக்கும். So இந்த 107 by 21 வந்துட்டு நான் twice of minus 7 by 3 அப்படிங்கிற ரேஷனல் நம்பர் கூட ஆட் பண்ண அப்படின்னா I will get 3 by 5 as my answer. So this you already know. If இந்த கிடைச்சிருக்க x வேல்யூ வந்துட்டு whether it is right or wrong அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு இத சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி பார்த்து செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். So now up to this you understand. First you see what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. So twice the rational number means what I am doing. இந்த கொடுத்திருக்க rational number கூட 2 multiply பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அப்ப 2 into minus 7 by 3. So 2 7s are 14 and put the minus sign minus 14 by 3. So what let us consider the unknown number as x. So அந்த number எனக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியாது. So I am considering it as an x. So if I add that unknown number with minus 14 by 7, I will get 3 by 7 as the answer. So now we formed a linear expression. If you solve this expression, I am getting x as 107 by 21. Now I am going to check whether this x value is right or wrong. So now what is I am going to do is, now I am going to check whether this x value is 107 by 21 is the right or wrong. So எனக்கு x value வந்துட்டு 107 by 21 வந்திருக்கு. So அது கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ண போறோம். For this you already know, you have to substitute this x value, find out x value in this given expression. So see x minus 14 by 3. So you already found x minus 14 by 3, you already found the value of this x as 107 by 21. So instead of x, you substitute 107 by 21 minus 14 by 3. See here, already know 21 and 3 are the denominators, you have to equalize. So in third table, when you multiply 3 with 7, you get 21. So the LCM will be 21. Now 107 by 21 into 1 and 14 by 7, 14 by 3. So for getting 21 as my denominator, you multiply the denominator by 7. So you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 7. So 107 by 21 minus 14 7s are 98 by 21. So if you subtract 98 from 107, you will get 9 by 21. Again if you simplify this, you will get 3 by 7. See here 3 3s are 9 and 7 3s are 21. So 3 by 7. So our find out x value is 107 by 21. It is a right answer because in the question itself what it is given. If I add those two numbers, I will get 3 by 7. So when I put 107 by 21, I am getting 3 by 7 as the answer. So up to this the sum gets over. The same problem is given in the exercise and take down this as your homework. If you have any doubt, you may ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.